So I figured out I could use the Logitech Extreme 3D Pro, this little joystick I've had for forever, to play Arma. So we're gonna go ahead and test it out. I got to use it once with my little army over here. I spawned in an enemy helicopter and didn't realize that until after I took off. Basically, I was able to take off and face it towards my troops because I was going to do a flyover. Accidentally launched a missile, which I guess alerted everyone, and I got myself shot down before I could actually test it out. So I know it works, but we're going to do some test flying while we wait. So we're going to get in the pilot.
Caution, gear down.
Oh, really? Couldn't figure that out. So here we go. If you go like that, should do. Okay, that works. I guess the collective doesn't show. That's okay. It's not too bad. So I'm gonna let the engines fire up. Sounds about ready. We'll go ahead and increase collective a bit. Here we go. There we go. Alright, we're up. Alright, cool. So here's home base. Go ahead and fly over. Guess it's not as sensitive as I thought. That's alright. It's actually kind of nice. Feels like a big helicopter. Alright, these buttons don't seem to do anything. Oh! That one did! Oh no. Where's my engine on? Oh, that's not good. Throttle should be good. Alright, so that button does that. It's good to know. Alright, so that's what that does. Cool. I think I did something because I have to push all the way forward and it's still not doing anything. Maybe I don't touch it for a second. Let it. This thing. Don't raise the gear. Doesn't need to be down. Oh, you keys to move slow. Alright, I think we're good. Push forward. Fly. Here we go. If not, do I have... Oh, it is on, that's why. Alright. Makes a huge difference. Look at that. I would like to go forward. It's absolutely beautiful. Should probably be a little careful. These are not friendly towns, I don't think. Okay, this one is in the outpost. Alright, cool. Never mind. Oh, smokes. Probably should not have done that. Getting shot at, apparently. That's wonderful. Always love that. Just keep flying around a little bit. Apparently found a patrol. That's also great. Oh! It's not nice. Wow, that's a lot of bullets. Maybe we'll work on getting behind the hill or something. Yep, fully aware. Got some motor damage, so we'll have to work on getting that fixed. I'm going to put her down, maybe. Let's see. Hopefully over here isn't going to be too bad. Where am I, actually? Oh, it's an outpost. That's probably not a smart thing to land over here, then. Yeah, there it is. let it just keep going. I don't want to deal with that at the moment. Just another outpost over here. Maybe we'll just stay low and fly around the island for a minute. That kind of makes sense. I'm going to retract our gears again.
Caution, gear up.
Oh, it's like caution. Yes, I want my gear up. I guess our helicopter seems to be flying pretty well. Even with the damaged motor. This is what it's, yeah. There's a red light. Oh, that's the lights. Looks like it'll be another outpost. Yep. Seem to be doing great running into those. Maybe they just won't recognize that it's an enemy yet. I mean, oh, nope, they know. Alright, I really got to put this thing down. Oh crap, missile!
Failure.
Well, that's
Failure.
water. Oh, I've been knocked out. That's oh so great. So we'll go ahead and just plop myself back here, I guess, and hope for the best. So, whoops. Maybe I kind of don't want to have these two. There we go. Okay. So, big helicopter, big fat boy, difficult to fly. It's kind of chunky. No, no surprise there. Wildcat. Now, actually, do we have a little bird? I don't think so. So we'll go ahead and spawn one of those, because those do tend to be easier to fly. Oh, actually, no. Well, you know what? Let's try armaments. Yeah. So we'll go have my dude over here, who's now fully ready to go. Alright, just try not to die this time would be absolutely wonderful. So if I plus, oh, it does work like that. Sweet. Okay. Let's see. So yeah, we got a minigun, some hydras. Let's see if I press this. Oh, look at that. Okay. So that'll be weapons. I don't know what that button does. Don't know what that button did. It's alright. So we'll go ahead and take off. Wow. There we go. Spin her around, make sure we're not in auto hover. Cool. Full throttle, why does it sound like it's powering down? That's not good. Seems to be flying pretty well. I love how easy this one is to fly. It's not as big. It's a lot more maneuverable. Here's some really good. Do I have ear? I do not. No ear protection. It's okay. Must be a roadblock or something. Oh, I've been hit. Oh. I want to say that once. Quite very smoothly. Just try that again, because that was kind of fun. Gonna put it over there. Should probably turn my volume down, that was quite loud. Alright, let's see, let's do, we're over here, there's an outpost. If we go south, there's an APC close to our outpost, maybe we go try to hit that. Or then there's a patrol up here. Let's just go south. We'll do one run trying to hit the outpost and see how that goes. Since we got our compass there in the front, let's go south. Whoop, little much. Oh boy. Okay, there we go. That's not the best, but it's alright. We're good now. South. I don't actually know how far this direction I have to go. Okay, I'm not quite heading that direction. Gotta go this way a little bit. Adjust my camera. Why don't I see him? Oops, wrong button. Obliterated that roadblock. Excellent. I don't actually know if I hit anyone. I would assume not. Uh-oh. That's probably not good. We should probably put her down. Gotta get out of the line of enemy fire though. Maybe try to get over this hill without getting shot. That doesn't sound good. That really wasn't good. Well, that just happened. That's also wonderful. So what I'm gonna do actually is I'm going to very kindly put myself over here and just kind of see. So this was that. This was I think a different helicopter. It definitely wasn't that one. This was me over here. That's right. So this was 10th one. There was a roadblock somewhere over here that we hit pretty hard, and it's disappeared because I'm not there. That's okay. So this was definitely the buildings and stuff we needed to hit. The outpost definitely missed it all. That's okay. I'm a little blind. Man, trained apparently. Didn't see it. That's okay. So anyway. That was that. That was actually quite fun. Might have to do that again. But for now, I'll see y'all later.